Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to share with you a stapler I picked up a couple weeks ago. It's the Bosch heavy duty plier, uses B8 staples, and I picked this up to help with some sewing, but I just thought I'd share this stapler with you because I'm so impressed with it. Obviously it staples more than fabric, but here's a piece of grocery bag folded over 4 times, staples through it really easy. Here's another piece of, what do you call it, grocery bag, and so that's 8 ply of grocery bag, and it goes through pretty well. See if I can double that over, give a shot at 16. Goes right through that pretty well. Might be getting to the close to the end of what this particular staple can do, because it's only a 1/4 inch staple. If you used a longer staple, you could probably go through quite a bit more. Got some cardboard here, 2 pieces of cardboard. Goes through that, no problem. I mean, it's a stapler. But what's cool about it is the plier type grip. It's really easy to use. It takes very little effort to go through. Here's some 60 grit sandpaper. Don't know why I'm stapling this, but let's just see. Goes right through the 60 grit sandpaper. No problem. So I suppose you need to staple sandpaper together. Regular paper, so that's half, that's 4, that's 8 sheets, no issue. Half, 4, 8, 16, no issue. Half, 4, 8, half, 4, 8, 16, 32 pieces of paper. No issue going through. No issue. Although 1/4 inch staple might be a little shallow for 32 pieces of paper, but it works and it's easy to staple through. So here's a couple examples of me using the stapler on fabric sewing project. And I hope you enjoy it. I'll put a link in the description below with Amazon link to the stapler if you want to get more information on the specifics, or pick one up. If you buy it using the affiliate link, it throws a couple of pennies my way, helps out my channel, and I appreciate it. Thanks everyone. Peace out, and go make something today. So the staples help me kind of model what I'm trying to make here.